I want to show you how easy it is to earn cash back on Rakuten. So you can do it on your phone. You have to enter through the Rakuten app and then start your shopping trip, check out, and then you'll automatically get your cash back that way. But it's even easier if you use a computer or a laptop. So I've installed the Rakuten extension on my Safari browser. And now automatically when I go to a website that partners with Rakuten for cash back on purchases you're already making, this is how easy it is. So I don't even have to think about it. I'm going to Old Navy, gonna do a little shopping today. And let's see here. Oh, there, popped up right there. So now all I do is hit activate cash back. It's gonna take me to this little screen that says you're on your way. It's opening a new shopping trip, which will earn me cash back, and now I'm done. So all I have to do now is add everything to my cart that I'm planning to get, check out, and I will automatically get my cash back. And that's how easy it is when you have the Rakuten extension to earn cash back.